Hey everyone, welcome back to ML Works. In this video, we'll learn how to set up n8n and then we'll learn how to set up Olama as well. Once these two setup is done, we'll set up a connection between n8n and Olama and we'll test a workflow automation by creating an AI agent with tool and memory support, and then we'll test the workflow. Now to set up n8n, so you have to first install Node.js and npm in your system, and once that is done, then you have to install n8n with the help of npm. So npm is the node package manager, Node.js is the backend server. And once n8n is installed, you can just start that as n8n start, and it will start the n8 in the backend as a server running on port 5678. So when you're doing it for the first time, what you'll see is you will see this particular page where you have to enter all these details like email ID, first name, last name, and create a password. Once that is done, then you will be asked to fill out a form like which organization you are working for, what is your role and everything, and then you will be able to work with n8n. What I'll do right now is I think I have already up and running n8n. So what I'll do is I'll first stop this. So this is stopped. Now first I'll show you what is the version of Node.js that I am running. This is the latest version I'm using for Node.js, and npm I have this specific version, and then I have also installed Olama in my system. These are the steps to install Olama. You have to download Olama with the help of this curl command, and then you have to download the model and you can check the model once it is downloaded. I'll show you that as well here. Olama list. You will see all these different models that are present inside my system. Now if you want to see where the Olama server is running, you can go to this browser here, type in localhost 11434. Here Olama server is running. So if you want to connect to the model, you have to put this as your base URL followed by the model. Let me go back to here. What we have done is we have checked the node and npm version, and we have to start our n8n. So I'll go here now. I'll just do n8n start. So let me close this, not this one then. So this will start our n8n, and you just have to go to the browser and type in localhost 5678. I'll go here to the browser, localhost 5678. So if you're doing it for the first time, you will see that page where you have to enter the details, and then you have to go and create your workflow. I'll go here, you can click this one, workflow, or click this one, and it will give you this option of grid where you can add elements or add your nodes and subnodes and connect your build your AI agent. So for now, what I'll do is I will be building an AI agent which is capable of chatting with the model and also make call to the search API to get the latest information regarding a specific thing. First, what I'll do is I'll click here on the plus button here. I'll first click on this open notes panel and type in chat here, and I'll include the chat node. Okay, this is my chat node. Now this chat node needs to be connected to the AI agent, so I'll go here and type in AI agent, and this is the AI agent node. So this is your root node, and let me just type it here and connect this to this AI agent. Next comes our chat model, so we'll be using Olama model. So I'll go and type in here Olama chat model. Next comes our tool, which is search tool. We'll be using SERP API, so I'll be using this specific tool. Let me just type in here and we are done. So first thing is we have to go and enter our credentials such that we can communicate with the model, and also we can communicate with the search API tool. First, I have to go here. Is there any changes that I have to make here? So inside the chat thing, we don't have to do anything. We just skip this. You can go to AI agent. Here you have to, if you want, you can set up your system prompt by adding an option, system message. You can type in here, you are a helpful stock assistant analyzer. Helpful stock analyzer. And you are provided with web search tool for fetching latest information on stocks. Keep this as it is. I'll close this down. This is our AI agent that we have updated. Now when it comes to Ollama chat model, here we have to connect to Ollama server that is running on our local machine, which is on localhost 11434. If you notice here, by default, since I have already created one workflow earlier, it is taking that credential. I can go here and create another credentials by clicking this, create new credentials, and base is automatically taken as localhost 11434. And since it is local model, we don't need any API key for this. We can just set it as same. And if you see, this connection tested successfully. And if you are running your n8n as a Docker container, then you might have to modify your base URL as internal docker :11434 such that you can communicate with your Ollama server running locally. There are certain steps that you have to change when you are running n8n as part of Docker container. So let me close this as well. And here I don't think we need to add anything else. These are some notes that if you want to showcase on your UI, right? So this is my chat model, display note in flow. Okay. So this is my chat model. You will notice that. So when it comes to SERP API, we'll just double click this, and if you notice here, we have already passed our SERP API account. If you're doing it for the first time, you have to click this button, add new credential, and it will ask for API key, and you can go to serpapi.com, and here you can log in and get your API key, and you can copy and paste this API key here and save it. And the options that you have to include here is just type in explicit array, enable it, and Google domain, yes, and close this down. So now we can test this AI agent by opening chat, and let's type in what is the stock price of Nvidia today. So it is throwing an error, problem in Node SERP API, missing search query. Let me try this again. Okay, so yeah, it works now. So if you notice here, it has given the current stock price of Nvidia on Nasdaq exchanges 202.5. So if I go here, Nvidia stock price, so it is 202.5. It is 202.5. So now we are able to receive the updated information for a specific stock price with the help of Search API. Now what we'll do is we'll delete this tool, clear this chat, and add some memory to this AI agent. This will be a simple memory with the context window length of 4, and close this down, and let us chat from scratch again. Hi, I am Mayur and I work as ML engineer. Hi Mayur, nice to meet you. Okay. I like reading books, and I have a small library at home. So recommend some books based on my profession. Okay, so it has given some book suggestion. Okay, they have this. Okay, if you notice, okay, this is a very good recommendation, right? So it has understood my profession from my first statement, which is ML engineer, and it knows that I like reading books. So it has managed to give me all these great books for ML engineer, right? For ML engineering, deep learning, pattern recognition, and machine learning NLP from scratch. So if you are interested in books outside of ML but still related to technology or science, I can recommend these two books. So this works nicely, right? The whole thing. Okay, it understood my previous statements or chat, and based on that conversation, it has provided me the result. We are almost done with this specific setup and AI agent build. Now what we can do is, if you want to make this more easy to understand, what you can do is you can add notes to this flow here by mentioning what exactly each component does. Double click this and update this information. So this is chat input, and then comes your, this is your agent flow, and let me click your agent flow, and this is your root node. And then comes your sticky note for this too. Pull this off this side, type it here, my model and memory. Okay, so once you are done with your workflow, you can go ahead and publish it, and if you want, you can store it as a JSON file and load it as in another environment with that JSON file. So if I just do download here, okay, this is my workflow. Let me open it here. It's opened in this one, Firefox. So it has given all the nodes. What is the position of the node? I have what are the different Olama accounts that I'm connected to. Okay, so it has all the information related to that AI agent workflow. So with that, I'll be concluding this video. Thank you for watching.